Today we're going to take a look at all the different ways built into Google Classroom to know what assignments you have that are due or that are coming up soon to be due. Before I even log into any specific classroom, I can see that in this classroom, I have an assignment due today and an assignment due tomorrow. If I were to click on either of these links, it would take me right into the classroom, right to those assignments. Up here, you have a to-do list. The to-do list will list your assignments in the order that they're due with the due dates. And again, they're clickable, they're links. So if you were to click on them, you would go right into the classroom, right to that assignment. Notice at the top, there's assignments that are assigned, assignments that are missing, and assignments that are done. So if you had an assignment that you did not pass in, after the due date, it would show up as missing. And on the done page, all of your assignments that you have completed will also be listed. There's also a calendar. If you access the calendar, it gives you a calendar view of which assignments are due, and they are clickable and take you right into the classroom, right to those specific assignments. If you go into the Google Classroom, you have the same options. You have an upcoming assignment list over on the left and a view all. So if there's an assignment that is due a little bit further out, it will show in this view all link. On the Classwork tab, you have that same Google Calendar that I showed you already. You have a folder of all your work, and you have a folder of anything that has been posted in Google Classroom that needs to be worked on. At Minit, we have tried to keep our topics consistent. So every Google Classroom will have an attendance topic with the daily required attendance form. There will be school announcements, content area assignments, content area resources, a place for support staff to post things, and family resources. These act like filters. So when you come in and you want to just get right to your math assignments, what am I supposed to be doing today? You can click on the math assignments topic, and then only your math assignments show in the feed. To go back, you would just click all topics again. Similarly, if you wanted to look at the family resources section, you could click on the family resources topic, and it would show anything that is posted for families information in the family resources topic. And you can go back to all topics and see it all.